Now, you've probably come to this video because I sent you an email. Now, this is not my normal type of video that I make, but I think it fits good with this channel because I know you follow me so that you can make money from crypto with trading bots and that sort of thing. But what I thought I'm going to do is I'm going to show you other ways to make money working from home using the power of AI. So I'm going to take you from A to Z on how to have a side hustle, maybe replace your existing income. Now, if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in, then below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. Now, that's going to take you over to this page where you could fill out that form. And then that will put you on a list where I can send you emails and keep you up to date. All the free training that I've got for making money with AI and affiliate marketing in general. Also, what you can do is, if you're not already a subscriber to this channel, click on subscribe. Click that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. This training is completely free and I'm sure you're going to get a lot of benefit out of it. You have a great day. Click the link below this video and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.